Good job.
Good morning.
If you show them that they are loved, they are seen, they are noticed, there's nothing that they can't do.
Are you ready?
Yes.
I don't act like I all awake today. Are you ready?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about.
I've always had that in mind, like be the teacher that you wish you had.
I told them we're gonna level up this year. They have also motivated me to kind of level up myself too.
Right, because we win as a what?
Team.
If you're not uncomfortable, then you're not growing. So take on that challenge.
I'm a 4-star general.
When you see the impact you make on their lives going down the road, it really does validate what you're doing.
10 seconds.
One day they're gonna be our lawyers, our doctors, our educators, engineers.
See, I caught up with the idea, guys.
Yeah, that's good. Many of our students, we don't know what happens in the morning before they come to school. Hey, we still have a school year here, and so you still matter here at our school.
Primera, ¿cuál es? Lo hiciste excelente.
Teach them obviously academics, but above all else, be their biggest cheerleader.
Monarch, good
You
job.
go away knowing that, okay, I spent every moment that I could with her, and she knows that Dad is there.
I'm very proud of them because I feel like they're mine. From 8 o'clock till 3:30, they're with me.
Great table.
It's really not about me. It's about me giving a service to just helping people, whether it's students, co-workers, cafeteria workers, custodians, whoever. I'm just glad I'm a part of the team.
This is just not a win for me. This is a win for my scholars.
Anything that they need, that's who I'm gonna be that day, and that's what I'm gonna provide for
We
them.
spent about $3,000 to get our business up and running.
Talking about. Come on, lady.
I want them to come in knowing they are capable, that they're resilient, and that they could do anything that they put their mind to.
It is 0. Let's go. I want to be, when they're like 20 years down the line, you're like, I had this one teacher.
I want them to know that you are a winner. You are somebody.